Place the camera into the bracket. Install the base. These 3 screw holes need to be placed on the same side. Insert the screw. When tightening the screw, the left hand needs to hold it firmly. Pick up another part of the base and align it with the screw hole. Tighten with a screwdriver. Tear off the adhesive tape and stick it onto the base. Wipe the desired installation location clean. Tear off the adhesive tape and stick it onto the helmet. The position of the screw needs to face upwards. The bracket can adjust the angle. After adjusting the appropriate angle, tighten the screw. Installation completed. Display.